hanging off the back of the boat in New Zealand. We saw a shark before. This could be awful. And lots of seals and dolphins. That's Mount Aspiring National Park.
Showing off a little.
Can't say that, I can't use that now.
I'm looking at you, but it's only a picture, so I take that back. But it ain't really a picture, it's just an image on a screen. You can imagine if I was though, right? Just like I can imagine, you can imagine it, can't you? I got a wild imagination.
Alright, so we're here in this ridiculous south coast of New Zealand. Watch the ropes. Yeah, we're going down 3-day sail down the south coast of New Zealand, heading down to Milford Sound. There's some weird, crazy weather coming. Oh my god, albatross. Can you see that guy? Probably not, probably out of focus. But yeah, 3 days, so tomorrow morning we should get into Milford Sound. Look at this place. So we had a couple days in Nelson, and yeah, changed a few crew around. Bought a ridiculous spear gun. Don't know really how to use it. Had a 14-year-old kid tell me how to use it, so I'm well equipped now. What else? We have had so many dolphins and seals come to visit us. It's been awesome. I was just sitting on the front, on the bow the other day, and the bow's the front. And there was these 2 dolphins that hung out for like an hour, and I was like dangling my feet off. I was like trying to connect with these dolphins. I know they wanted to connect with me, but I couldn't quite reach. It's like quite a long way. I was dangling my toes down, and they were like coming out, and then their like fins were out, and we were trying to like do a little. Anyway, we didn't quite connect. But they hung out for an hour, and then like 30 more came, and then they all left. But so good. New Zealand is killing me. Killing me. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh shit, what's that? So anyway, yeah, that's what's going on, and very lucky. Very, very lucky. Very lucky if I don't fall in as well. I'll hold the sail at the bottom. This is pretty good, and I want to keep sailing for a while, is my conclusion. And New Zealand is incredible. 2 conclusions. And the weather's been good, so I haven't been seasick, so yeah. Just, where am I? What is that? What is any of this good stuff? Alright, it's enough. We're not making sense.
Much too many feelings simultaneously at such a rapid clip. Give it some time. Give it some time. Give it some time. Give it some time. Give it some time.
Girl thinking at sunset time, wondering about her life and the end of the day and what's for breakfast. Drinking tea in the late hours.